adore.
हिंदी अनुवाद पूजा करना.
Example sentence, she adores her little sister and takes care of her. Advise.
हिंदी अनुवाद सलाह देना.
Example sentence, I advise you to study hard for the exam. Affluent.
हिंदी अनुवाद धनवान.
Example sentence, the affluent businessman owns many luxury cars. Aggravate.
हिंदी अनुवाद भड़काना.
Example sentence, he aggravates his little brother by teasing him. Alleviate.
हिंदी अनुवाद कम करना.
Example sentence, the medicine helped alleviate his pain. Ample.
हिंदी अनुवाद पर्याप्त.
Example sentence, we have ample time to complete the project. Appreciate.
हिंदी अनुवाद सराहना करना.
Example sentence, I appreciate your help in completing the task. Ascertain.
हिंदी अनुवाद जांचना.
Example sentence, he tried to ascertain the truth about the incident. Assimilate.
हिंदी अनुवाद समाहित करना.
Example sentence, it takes time to assimilate to a new culture. Astute.
हिंदी अनुवाद चतुर.
Example sentence, she is an astute businesswoman who makes wise decisions. Authentic.
हिंदी अनुवाद मान्य.
Example sentence, the painting is an authentic work of art. Avid.
हिंदी अनुवाद उत्साही.
Example sentence, he is an avid reader who loves to read books. Benign.
हिंदी अनुवाद नम्र.
Example sentence, the benign old lady is loved by everyone in the neighborhood. Bestow.
हिंदी अनुवाद देना.
Example sentence, he decided to bestow his inheritance to charity. Bountiful.
हिंदी अनुवाद उपजाऊ.
Example sentence, the bountiful harvest will provide enough food for the winter. Brevity. Brevity.
हिंदी अनुवाद संक्षिप्तता.
Example sentence, he summarized the report with brevity. Candid.
हिंदी अनुवाद खुला.
Example sentence, she gave a candid answer to his question. Capable.
हिंदी अनुवाद क्षमता वाला.
Example sentence, she is a capable leader who can handle any situation. Captivate.
हिंदी अनुवाद मोहित करना.
Example sentence, please continue writing. ChatGPT. Sure, here are the remaining 78 English words with their Hindi translations and examples, formatted as bullet points and numbered lists. Cautious.
हिंदी अनुवाद सतर्क.
Example sentence, be cautious while crossing the road. Celebrate.
हिंदी अनुवाद जश्न मनाना.
Example sentence, we will celebrate his birthday with a party. Challenge.
हिंदी अनुवाद चुनौती.
Example sentence, the test was a challenge for him. Charismatic.
हिंदी अनुवाद करिश्माई.
Example sentence, the charismatic leader has a huge following. Cherish.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्यार करना.
Example sentence, she cherishes the memories of her childhood. Clarify.
हिंदी अनुवाद स्पष्ट करना.
Example sentence, he clarified his doubts with the teacher. Clever.
हिंदी अनुवाद चतुर.
Example sentence, the clever boy solved the puzzle in no time. Collaborate.
हिंदी अनुवाद सहयोग करना.
Example sentence, we need to collaborate to finish the project on time. Comfortable.
हिंदी अनुवाद सुखद.
Example sentence, the sofa is comfortable to sit on. Compassionate.
हिंदी अनुवाद सहानुभूतिपूर्ण.
Example sentence, the compassionate nurse took care of the sick patient. Competent.
हिंदी अनुवाद कुशल.
Example sentence, he is a competent software engineer. compliment.
हिंदी अनुवाद सराहना.
Example sentence. She gave him a compliment on his new haircut. Conducive.
हिंदी अनुवाद उपयोगी.
Example sentence. The peaceful environment is conducive to learning. Confident.
हिंदी अनुवाद आत्मविश्वासी.
Example sentence. She is confident about her performance in the interview. Congratulate.
हिंदी अनुवाद बधाई देना.
Example sentence. He congratulated her on winning the award. Conquer.
हिंदी अनुवाद जीतना.
Example sentence. He was determined to conquer the mountain. Conscious.
हिंदी अनुवाद जागरूक.
Example sentence. Be conscious of your surroundings while walking alone. Contribute.
हिंदी अनुवाद योगदान देना.
Example sentence. He decided to contribute some money to the charity. Conviction.
हिंदी अनुवाद दृढ़ता.
Example sentence. He spoke with conviction in the meeting. Cooperative.
हिंदी अनुवाद सहयोगी.
Example sentence. The cooperative team worked well together. Courageous.
हिंदी अनुवाद साहसी.
Example sentence. The courageous firefighter saved the people from the burning building. Creative.
हिंदी अनुवाद रचनात्मक.
Example sentence. The artist is known for her creative paintings. Please continue writing. ChatGPT. Sure, here are the remaining 56 English words with their Hindi translations and examples. Critical.
हिंदी अनुवाद महत्वपूर्ण.
Example sentence. The critical situation required immediate attention. Cultivate.
हिंदी अनुवाद उत्पन्न करना.
Example sentence. He wants to cultivate his own vegetables in the backyard. Curious.
हिंदी अनुवाद जिज्ञासु.
Example sentence. The curious child asked many questions. Decisive.
हिंदी अनुवाद निर्णायक.
Example sentence. He made a decisive move in the game. Dedicated.
हिंदी अनुवाद समर्पित.
Example sentence. The dedicated doctor worked long hours to save his patient. Delightful.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रियंकर.
Example sentence. The garden is a delightful place to relax. Dependable.
हिंदी अनुवाद विश्वसनीय.
Example sentence. The car is dependable for long distance travel. Desirable.
हिंदी अनुवाद अभिरुचिकर.
Example sentence. The beachfront property is highly desirable. Diligent.
हिंदी अनुवाद मेहनती.
Example sentence. The diligent student always completes his homework on time. Diplomatic.
हिंदी अनुवाद कूटनीतिक.
Example sentence. The diplomat handled the delicate situation with diplomacy. Disciplined.
हिंदी अनुवाद अनुशासित.
Example sentence. The disciplined soldier followed the orders without question. Discreet.
हिंदी अनुवाद सावधान.
Example sentence. Be discreet while discussing sensitive information. Distinguished.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रतिष्ठित.
Example sentence. The distinguished professor has published many research papers. Earnest.
हिंदी अनुवाद गंभीर.
Example sentence. He made an earnest effort to learn a new skill. Efficient.
हिंदी अनुवाद दक्ष.
Example sentence. The efficient manager completed the project ahead of schedule. Eloquent.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रभावशाली.
Example sentence. The eloquent speaker captivated the audience with his speech. empathetic.
हिंदी अनुवाद सहानुभूतिशील.
Example sentence. The empathetic counselor listened to her client's problems. Encouraging.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रोत्साहनदायक.
Example sentence. The encouraging words motivated him to try again. Enduring.
हिंदी अनुवाद स्थायी.
Example sentence. The enduring love between the couple lasted a lifetime. Engaging.
हिंदी अनुवाद आकर्षक.
Example sentence. The engaging story kept the children entertained. Enthusiastic.
हिंदी अनुवाद उत्साही.
Example sentence. The enthusiastic student participated in all the school events. Entrepreneurial.
हिंदी अनुवाद उद्यमी.
Please continue writing. ChatGPT. Sure, here are the remaining 34 English words with their Hindi translations and examples. Ethical.
हिंदी अनुवाद नैतिक.
Example sentence. The company has a strict ethical code of conduct. Exemplary.
हिंदी अनुवाद उत्कृष्ट.
Example sentence. The teacher's exemplary behavior inspired her students. Experienced.
हिंदी अनुवाद अनुभवी.
Example sentence. The experienced lawyer won the case. Expert.
हिंदी अनुवाद विशेषज्ञ.
Example sentence. The expert mechanic repaired the car quickly. Exquisite.
हिंदी अनुवाद अति सुंदर.
Example sentence. The chef prepared an exquisite meal. Faithful.
हिंदी अनुवाद वफादार.
Example sentence. The faithful dog never left his owner's side. Fearless.
हिंदी अनुवाद निडर.
Example sentence. The fearless soldier charged into battle. Focused.
हिंदी अनुवाद ध्यानवान.
Example sentence. The focused student aced the exam. Fortunate.
हिंदी अनुवाद भाग्यशाली.
Example sentence. The fortunate winner of the lottery was ecstatic. Frugal.
हिंदी अनुवाद खुरदरा.
Example sentence. The frugal shopper always looks for discounts. Generous.
हिंदी अनुवाद उदार.
Example sentence. The generous donor gave a large sum of money to the charity. Genuine.
हिंदी अनुवाद सच्चा.
Example sentence. The genuine apology was accepted by the offended party. Gifted.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रतिभाशाली.
Example sentence. The gifted musician played a beautiful melody. Gracious.
हिंदी अनुवाद अनुग्रही.
Example sentence. The gracious host welcomed her guests warmly. Hardy.
हिंदी अनुवाद दमदार.
Example sentence. The hardy plant survived the harsh winter. Helpful.
हिंदी अनुवाद मददगार.
Example sentence. The helpful neighbor offered to lend a hand. Honest.
हिंदी अनुवाद ईमानदार.
Example sentence. The honest politician kept his promises. Humble.
हिंदी अनुवाद विनम्र.
Example sentence. The humble servant never sought recognition for his work. Imaginative.
हिंदी अनुवाद कल्पनाशील.
Example sentence. The imaginative child created a world of her own. Impartial.
हिंदी अनुवाद निष्पक्ष.
Example sentence. The impartial judge made a fair decision. Independent.
हिंदी अनुवाद स्वतंत्र.
Example sentence. The independent woman traveled the world alone. Industrious.
हिंदी अनुवाद मेहनती.
Example sentence. The industrious worker completed the task quickly. Innovative.
हिंदी अनुवाद नवाचारी.
Example sentence. The innovative product revolution. Please continue writing. ChatGPT. Inspiring.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रेरणादायक.
Example sentence. the inspiring speech motivated the audience to take action. Intellectual.
हिंदी अनुवाद बौद्धिक.
Example sentence. The intellectual discussion explored complex ideas. Intuitive.
हिंदी अनुवाद सहज ज्ञानी.
Example sentence. The intuitive artist created a masterpiece without any formal training. Inventive.
हिंदी अनुवाद आविष्कारशील.
Example sentence. The inventive engineer designed a new machine to solve a problem. Knowledgeable.
हिंदी अनुवाद ज्ञानी.
Example sentence. The knowledgeable historian wrote a comprehensive book on the subject. Logical.
हिंदी अनुवाद तार्किक.
Example sentence. The logical argument convinced the audience. Meticulous.
हिंदी अनुवाद सूक्ष्म.
Example sentence. The meticulous scientist conducted the experiment with great attention to detail. Motivated.
हिंदी अनुवाद प्रेरित.
Example sentence. The motivated athlete trained hard to win the championship. Objective.
हिंदी अनुवाद निष्पक्ष.
Example sentence. The objective journalist reported the facts without bias. Observant.
हिंदी अनुवाद सतर्क.
Example sentence. The observant detective noticed a clue that others missed. Optimistic.
हिंदी अनुवाद आशावादी.
Example sentence. The optimistic leader inspired her team to overcome challenges and achieve success. I hope this list of 100 English words with their Hindi translations and examples is helpful for your learning.